back to my channel, Koki's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. If you're coming here for the first time, you're so much welcome. Karibu sana. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you're going to be notified. Kwa wenye umerudi, karibu sana, tunawapenda. Thank you so much for coming back. So guys, today as you have seen on the title, I'm making something interesting. It's actually a snack at the same time. It's actually a breakfast thing. You can do it with breakfast for your family and for your loved one, guys. We are making Scotch eggs, guys. Right away, let's get into our ingredients. So guys, for our Scotch eggs, we're going to need sausages. I have 4 beef sausages with me here. Then I have 2 eggs with me here. I'm only doing 2 eggs because I'm only me and my videographer. Then I have some coriander with me. Then of course I have my favorite paprika and my favorite curry powder. Then I have flour, hii ni unga ya chapati. Then with me, guys, I have this is breadcrumbs. Actually it's a homemade thing. If you want the recipe, just let me know. So the first step, guys, we are going to do is to peel the outer part of our sausage. So let's do this. So you just cut it like this and you peel it out here. So that's the first. Using my hands, they're clean. I'm just gonna mix them in like this. I know inakaa too yucky, but yeah, if this is what you want to make, this is how you're gonna do it. So we are going to add in our coriander, guys. Finely chopped. Try and make sure that they are finely chopped. Yani kidogo kidogo. Then let's come in with our paprika. Kidogo tu. Yeah. Then I'm just trying to season this meat, at least kai fiti. Yeah, so like that, then you come in and massage them nicely. Then guys, we're going to add in our salt, kidogo tu, and massage them in nicely. So guys, I had forgot to mention I have one extra egg here. It's going to help me when I'm going to be coating my eggs. So that's the one extra egg. So the next step here, just a guys, you either use water or oil. You fill your hands with water or oil because in a sausage man, it was so slippery. So for you to attain what you want, tumia maji ama nini ama mafuta. So I'm going to partition it, then I'm going to spread it nicely. Kiona iko sticky, just apply some little oil hivyo. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my egg like this and I'm going to make sure naifunika hapa ndani. Sikia, just do it pole pole mpaka ijifunike vizuri. Unaona venye inakaa? So guys, unaona venye iko poa, nicely done like that. So I'm just gonna place it over there and let's do hii ingine. When iko sticky, just apply some oil in your hands, then flatten it like this, like so. Then come in with your egg and place it in the middle, then gently fold it inside. Tunachoshea tunacheza tunayonayo hivyo. Naona vile inakaa fiti. So breadcrumbs. Meanwhile, guys, your heat should be heating up because we're going to deep fry them. So guys, here are my eggs. So the first thing we are going to do, we want to coat the outer layer, and we're going to use some flour. Nimewambia hii ni unga tu ya chapati, ajab to be ndogo to be specific. So just coat it nicely. Hivo. Then hapa kwa mayai, dip it in the egg like that. Hivyo tu vizuri. Just take your time. Kiona imeingiana vizuri. Now carry it gently and dip it in your breadcrumbs. So guys, normally nawambianga if you want to know your oil is ready, please put a wooden stick like that. Ukiona inafanya hivyo, know it's ready. Yeah. So and next we are going to dip in our eggs. Pole too, please. Like that and like that. Let's give it space. I want to smear some oil. So guys, those are my 2 scotched eggs, looking amazing as you can see. I love the outer coating and how dark they are. So I've just placed them there kidogo so that they can drain the excess oil. Then obviously I'm going to cut it into half so that I can show you how the inside looks. But I am loving it, guys. I'm loving it.